Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? Still got more update for you guys. I'm gonna try to squeeze probably one more in. I think I'm gonna end it with Apple tonight, but I'm gonna try to squeeze this one in, and we're gonna take a look at ticker symbol TSLA for Tesla Motors Inc. All right, now this is a stock. Now you know I've traded this stock a few times. All right, few times I'm in and out of Tesla, in and out of Tesla, and so far as you can see, this is Tesla on a weekly chart. The last 3 years, you can see every time Tesla come down here. All right, 200 moving average. You have a lot of scary talk. Then you got earnings, then it pops up. Okay, then it pulls back down. It goes sideways. Pulls back down. It comes to this 200 moving average, and then boom, it pops back up. All right. So Tesla is looking just like the regular overall market. It had a big run right here. It came to test this high. I don't know why it didn't break this high over here. This high was the high of 291. Okay, we see why. It looked like by the eyes it came close. And this is a high from a few years ago. I remember this high right here. See, 291.42. This is where Tesla have to come back and touch, and this is the low right here. All right, so looking at Tesla, Tesla is a stock that people have been trying to short this stock, trying to bet against this stock, and it just haven't worked. All right, if you know what I'm talking about with Tesla. All right, analysts say one thing, the stock have earnings, they miss earnings, but they have a good outlook. Okay, and the stock move. The stock had great outlook, bad earnings, or vice versa. It just, there's no way to just stop this stock right here. So what do I expect for Tesla to do? Because as you can see, this range right here is narrowing down. All right, either Tesla is soon to collapse, or it's gonna make another leg higher and come test this 291 right here, this gray line. Once it tests this high, then you can see it can go. The stock can run up to 325 easy. All right. So what am I expecting for Tesla? This is a weekly chart. Let's go in and look at the daily chart to see what Tesla's been up to day by day. And this is the last couple of days in Tesla. Like I said, I'm not trying to, this is the beginning of the year right here. As you can see from here, from going back to like December 5th. All right, right after the stock had earnings right here. The stock, it had probably, I don't know, I don't remember if it beat, but it looked like it had a 71 cents. I don't remember what the estimate was for it to go against, but all I know is the stock collapsed right after earnings, just for a couple of weeks later for this to start to happen. Once the stock went across the 20-day moving average, you see it just powered itself right across the 50, just went right through the 200-day, kind of stag a little bit, small little flag pattern, and then boom, it kept on moving. All right, this is Tesla. This is how powerful this Tesla trade would have been down here once Tesla came back down to test this 184, 180 level. So me, every time, if my funds are available, Tesla come anywhere in this 180 level. What's my range? 180 to 220. Those basically my range where, if Tesla's in those range, I normally don't care. I don't even look at anything. I just buy it at those levels normally. All right. So right now it's like what I normally would call the bus have left the terminal. So I would not be trying to chase it up here. I would wait for a pullback onto this 200 moving average, and this is around the 228, 217. Like I said, my sweet spot, 220, 180. These are around my price range, because once it comes down to this 220, normally it doesn't hold. Normally it penetrate right through it and goes down to 180. Normally with Tesla, if you traded Tesla a few times, all right, or if you used to take trading Tesla. So that's why people don't short the stock. So if you're trading Tesla, I told you I would make the video. So giving you my little take in the last 20 days. And as you can see, it looks like it's going to collapse back down to the 236, 237 level. All right. So this is my take on Tesla right here, because 200-day moving average is right here. So it's going to come down here and test this before it moves up. Because I think all the good news is out in Tesla until we have the next earning coming up. I'm not sure when. But, this is kind of like my take on what I think is about to happen on Tesla. Just had earnings, it looked like. February 22nd. So bad news is out the bag. It collapsed after earning, as you can see in the charts. So now, you know, it might make another leg up because the news is out. It collapsed after earnings and then pop up, and now it's sitting on the 50-day moving average. So I expect it's going to come down here, like I said before. So we'll see how this play out. So if you're trading Tesla, this is my take on it. Be careful. Like I said, be careful. I'm looking for it to come down to these 220 levels before I jump back in Tesla. So if you have any question, please feel free to send me the email, the number 3, the letter D, consultme@gmail.com. Peace.